you're done.
You don't need to pay and I'll drive.
You don't have to turn the camera. I can turn the truck towards the picture I want to get.
Grab it. Yeah. It's not too bad, I guess. I think you guys are pretty much okay.
Yeah.
Scuffed out.
Almost got me, actually, almost.
Yeah.
Okay, so... Excuse the shaky hands.
Oh, no, it's okay.
it's okay.
It's his first
Yeah.
accident.
Oh.
We were not going to let that stop our vacation. That was only the first incident. Some people say, why do you put all this driving in your video? Well, it's my video, and it's for me to enjoy the scenery. And like I said earlier, the mountains are calling. Now I'm off to do an accident report, or incident report, however you call it. The mountain ahead is called the Three Sisters.
Thought it was recording. It wasn't.
Yeah, I do that a lot. That's why I double check to make sure that I made 2 videos or keep forgetting to press the button. Just because it's on and I select video, I think it's on, not only recording. Yes, because how many times did I think I was recording a video, but didn't make sure that I pushed the button on the phone? made it to Golden. Oh. I can play Lee's music. I'm not used to this. It's so funny I'm able to use his music. Copyright or not, he said, oh, okay, it's my music. Use it. Sped up and he stops when he's speeds right up and then he almost stops when he goes in tunnel. I don't see no sign saying stop. Or yell. So we made it to Revelstoke. There's proof. Oh, there's the bear. Is that the bear you wanted? Ah, okay. Just fill up and become gasoline up at the gas bar. You guys want a picture? Pay for parking. It's free. Welcome to Nature Bay, 40 hectares wildlife sanctuary with 4 kilometers of shoreline.
That's right. Well, that's a small one. A lot of turtles.
Turtles.
Dad holds his phone.
Turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle. I can't see. Oh, there he is. I can't see anyway. One turtle gone. You guys are seeing the turtles and I'm not. There he is, one turtle. The other turtle went under the bridge or under the water. Let's go check the other side. There's a bunch of birds there with white beaks on. Yeah, bright white beaks. Tell me in the comments what birds they are. I have no idea. Sounds like I hear a big train going through. Let's go see what we can see over here. Turtle, turtle. I don't see no turtles. Birds are squawking over there, tell you that. This is the boardwalk. We are in the boardwalk. Oh, I'm just showing you my finger. Look at my finger. Oh, there is a train. I knew I heard a train. See if we can get in the picture. There he is. We are in Salmon Arm. And I can hear my knees snapping and cracking after a long drive. The Bible, there are all kinds of snapping. Now see, if I had extra stickers, I could have stuck a sticker back there on the pole. Yeah. We seen a Weirdos Unite sticker when we were in Revelstoke. We got gas. It was on a sign. Stuck out on the sign. Pause it now while it goes and walks by all these peoples.
She goes to North Battleford. It may not be frequent.
Under the boardwalk. Wow, was he making a circle or cloud? He's making a circle.
See it?
What?
How the plane like kind of curves.
Yeah.
I mean, planes can't.
He's making a circle. You can see it goes all the way around over to there. And there's a cloud that looks like it was made by your grandmother. Don't stand here. That's a sign that should be posted there. Don't stand here.
You can barely see where the screws went in. And I had a Robertson in my drill. It's like
cinnamon.
around where the screw was. And then I took a pair of ice grips and clamped it on the head. And then I had them. And so there's two.
Make some more noise. I don't see the turtles. This is where we are. Oh, we better leave before they close the gate.
Yep.
Oh, there's one on the rock down there.
Oh yeah, I see them.
I'm not seeing them.
Yes, because I don't listen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
trust you.
If he drops it in, it's not my fault. Oh, there he is right there under the bottom of the thing. Yeah.
There he is.
There's another one over there. There's a couple over there on the edge of the. They're all on the edge.
There's more coming.
Yeah. This is what a newfie calls a tree. Right? This is a real tree. 1, 2, 3. I think we found the falls. Holy cow, I'm getting wet already. Woohoo! Alright, that's looking at me. I don't want to look at me. I want to look at the other side. How do I do that? This facial recognition. So it works. It looks at me, but I don't want it to do that. I want it to look somewhere else.
I think it may be the top right button. It shows face. Object. No.
It's follow mode. That's all that is. I don't want to follow mode. What's this one?
That's hand gestures.
Okay.
You want to stop.
Press this.
Thanks, Mom.
Sorry.
Smacks in my gimbal already. It's like, yeah, my gimbal works
new.
great.
I put a dent
Gotta
in
put a dent in it. This actually stays level.
Yeah, it's kind of a job.
Can I zoom out? Wide. Zoom. I can zoom in, but it's already as wide as it gets. Okay.
Checking along.
I'll stop this now and I'll start again.